Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is where I discuss topics about education, artificial intelligence, independent research, consulting, and entertainment. If you find any value in what I discuss, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Now, let's get started. Okay, today I'm going to give you some very practical and useful tips so you can make your Google search smarter. Let's be honest. We all have Googled like this. For example, we entered a very simple phrase, such as a math tutor near me, essays about climate change, or best swim coach. After you entered the short or simple phrase, then what happened? Well, Google search listed pages of ads, information, or results that were not what you wanted. You ended up spending a lot of time sorting through all the information to find what you were looking for. Okay, this is what we're going to talk about. Here's the thing. Google search supports advanced search operators and creative prompt structures that go beyond just typing a simple phrase. So look, Google isn't the problem. The problem is how you write your search prompt. Now, let's show you how to improve your Google search and to make it better and smarter. Let's say here's a parent. He wants to look for a math tutor for his child. Most parents will probably just type math tutor near me. Now, here is the first improvement. You can do it better. You can enter math tutor for 9-year-old, private lessons. That tells Google this is for a child of 9 years old and you want one-on-one help. When looking for a tutor for a child, you probably want to find someone experienced, like a retired teacher, someone local who can come to home, someone who has excellent customer reviews. If this is what you're looking for, you can add some more specifics in your Google search, such as retired teacher, comes to home, excellent reviews. Look, now your search starts to target math tutors who actually fit your needs, not just whoever out there. Actually, you can make your search even better, more targeted. For example, you can also add hourly rate or lesson cost, phone number or email, and you can add location filters. You can also add something to filter out what you don't want, such as use minus online, minus group, minus ads. Now, your Google search results are much more targeted and free from what you don't want. So here is a Google search prompt template. It includes type of help, your child's age, service, qualities you want, rate information, contact information, your location, and what you don't want. Let's say if you are a student, you can use the same smart Google search strategy. You just need to change the filters that fit your academic needs. So in summary, typing a short prompt like math tutor near me might be your first instinct, but that is not a smart prompt. Regardless of who you are, the key to smart Google search is write better search prompts. Be specific, add context, use filters that tell Google exactly what you need. Don't settle for pages of ads and irrelevant results. I hope you find this video useful. You can visit www.infowide.com for more videos like this. Until next time, thanks for watching.